Sharing a file securely directly from your email is quite simple. So I'm going to give it a step-by-step guide on how to do this. First, you click on post, start a new email. That is the pen icon. Let me show you. This is already one I've created. So you can see I'm in draft because I've already created it, but I want to start from the beginning for you. So from the inbox, you tap on the pen icon to create a new message. So you compose the message as you normally would. Then when you're through, at the bottom here, you tap on the attachment icon. Now, if you notice, they give you options for pictures or videos. There's no option for a file. So what do? Well, it's quite simple. If you also have an option for a file, just go ahead and click the file. You click on the Proton Drive icon, and then you're good to go. From there, you just set its link security, and then you can send it securely. Now, for those of us who don't have the option, it's quite simple. What you do is that you have to go and share it from the drive itself. That's right. So how do you do that? Let's cancel this message at the top. So you go to Proton Drive. You can see. Let me show you how I got here. So from here, what you do is tap on the three line at the top, then tap on your email address, and then you can see Proton Drive option here. Tap on it, and then set it up. If you've not set it up before, you have to set it up now. But if you have, it should be easy. Like I have already set up mine. So setting up is quite simple. Just follow the prompt once you open it. So once you're here, you're going to find the file you want to share. So it's going to show you the files. Then I'm going to choose the file I want to share. This is the file I want to share, a picture. So tap on the file you want to share. You can see download share, then tap on share option. Then you put in the email address on the share with. Okay, then tap on create public link. So put in the message. Let's say this is my message, and tap on share. Then once you tap on share, you can see after updated and shared. So normally you can see it's still pending, but if yours isn't pending, what we're going to do next is you're going to see the option for you to set a password and an expiration date. If you are using a paid plan, I'm not using a paid plan, I'm using a free plan, and the reason why you can't see the option right now. And then once you do that, you get the secure link and you paste the secure link manually into your Proton Mail app. As simple as that. So hope you found this video helpful.